Hello and welcome to the section 7 of the course Burp Suite Reporting. Now in this section we are going to learn about various reporting methods and then I'll also explain you about these methods. Setting severities in Burp Suite. Now in this video we are going to take a look at the basics of reporting and various typical uses. So what I've done here, basically I have performed spidering inside a web application and I got the result inside Burp Suite. Now, how you can differentiate various kind of severities or various kind of vulnerabilities inside Burp Suite, let me provide you information. So guys, I'm inside Burp Suite and I've intercepted a request of testphp.vulnerweb.com. We have already done it many times. And what I've done, basically I've performed spidering. So I got this result here, right? For example, if I want to differentiate various kind of pages here, so what I can do, how I can provide information that this particular page is vulnerable and this page is not vulnerable. So there is only one thing I can do. I can use coloring techniques inside Burp Suite to differentiate these kind of vulnerabilities or pages. So you can see here that they are showing the parameters, right? So if you have learned about SQL injection, so you know that if the parameter is available, something like add equal to 1 or page equal to 1, so we can try to attack on that particular page using SQL injection technique. So according to me, this is vulnerable, but this is not vulnerable because this is not showing me the parameter. So how I can differentiate this page from this one? Simple coloring techniques. Now what you can do, you can simply click here and you can select the blood red color here. And here you can provide information that this page is actually vulnerable. And you can select this one and you can select blue color and you can say that this page is not vulnerable, right? So that's how you can differentiate various pages here. So you can simply select, you think that this page is vulnerable or the whole setup of these pages are vulnerable, so you can simply select the colorings and here you can select the blue color, or you can also select the green color if you think that page is only providing basic information, so you can select the green color. So that's how you can provide colors, right? So it is very easy to provide coloring techniques here, right? And it's very easy to implement this on that particular result. And that's how you can differentiate various kind of severities or various kind of vulnerabilities or various kind of vulnerable pages of that particular website using color techniques.